Hey queens, I'll be doing this olive green look for you guys today. You guys already know this is the staple for my eye prep, which is concealer and primer, and with my MAC 225 brush. And I decided to do this green look because I've been thinking green all yesterday, so I was like, let me see what I can concoct together, and this was the outcome. And right here, I'm going into my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm getting that light brown. I'm going to leave the shade's name in my description box, so check below. And I'm going in with that's a Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm using that to dispute, and I'm using that brown to be my transition color. Now right here, I'm about to go in with a green from the Light Pink palette, and I'm using that on the 217 brush. And I'm packing in, I'm using windshield wiper motion to apply that color, and I'm also applying it in the inner and the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with a darker shade of green, and I'm using that from the BH Cosmetic Ultimate Matte 42 palette, and I'm using that to kind of give like my crease and depth to make it a little bit darker, so it won't be flat. And I'm using the Morphe M505 to blend that out. Now right here, I'm going in with a lighter green, and I'm putting it directly under my crease just to give it more vibrancy and more definition. And I'm also using that with the MAC 217 brush throughout this video. That's mainly the brush that I am using to apply all my colors. Now right here, I'm going back and forth between the M505 by Morphe and my MAC 217 brush to make sure that everything is blended out to my liking. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer to clear off that spot for me to add that shadow. And because I have hooded eyes, I tilt my head back to kind of get that concealer above my crease. And I'm sorry, I was watching the movie She's All That. I have not seen it in such a long time. So yeah, when it came on, it had my attention. So that's why I keep stirring to my back. Now I'm going into that shadow and packing it onto that concealer, and I'm going to go in with that lighter green and apply that around this shadow right here. And then I'm going to take my my brush and go into all the shadows just to make sure that everything is well blended, because blending is the key to any eye look. Now right here, I'm applying my liquid eyeliner by L.I.b and my mascara. And my lashes that I'm applying, they're from my own personal lash line that I have created. But everything's not finalized as of yet. But when everything is done, I would definitely let you guys know. So keep your eye out for those lashes. Now right here, I'm applying my facial cream all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with my primers, and then I'm going to mix up my foundation. Then I'm going to step off him and apply my foundation, and then I'm going to come back when that is finished. I was feeling myself low-key in this after I did my foundation, because I kind of did something completely out of my norm. I use a concealer stick that's like 2 to 3 shades lighter than me, which is, I don't normally do that. But I love the end result. I thought my foundation looked so flawless. Like, I was in love with it. But yeah. And now I'm just going over that with my setting powder, and then I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic powders and contour kit to kind of blend out those lines so there won't be any lines of demarcation on my face. And then I'm going to do my contour highlights, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to do my lips. And then yeah, this look is completely done. Like I said, I'm starting my own lash line, so be on the lookout for those. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And don't forget, we're doing a giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers. So tell everybody that you know. Tell a friend, tell your mama, tell everyone. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.